everybody, Susan Vincentz here, and I'm excited to come to you today with another tech tip. And in today's video, we're going to look at a fairly new feature in Google Docs. So here I am in a Google Doc with a little to-do list going. Now, you may already know that you have the ability to do numbered list or bulleted list, but here is the handy dandy new feature in Google Docs. You can now make check boxes. Some of you who may use Google Keep, the little post-it note app with Google, which I love, and if you haven't checked it out, check out Google Keep. It allows you to do check boxes. Well, Google Docs has now added that on to a document. So if I have my list here, right up here near where the bulleted list and the numbered list are, you see this other little icon symbol that looks like a checklist. If I click the checklist, notice how it puts my item over. And then I can click on it to toggle it back. Or I can take the whole list and add the check boxes by highlighting the whole thing and adding the check boxes. So now, if I add more items to my list, it will automatically create the checkbox. So now if I go through, as I complete my tasks for the day, I can just simply click inside of that box and it takes it off and strikes it through. So this is great not only for personal and work to-do list, but checklist for students as they're completing things. Checklist of assignments that you need to share with students. So many reasons to use a checklist. You're planning a field trip and you need to make a checklist of all of the items that you need to complete to make sure that field trip gets planned. So check it out on Google Docs. You can make a checklist right up there in the menu. So if there's anything that I can assist you with, please do not hesitate to reach out. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel here on Susan Vincentz-Tech Imaginations for more tech tip tutorials coming out several days a week, especially on Tech Tip Tuesday. See you soon. Have a great week. Bye-bye.